Hi guys, welcome back to another CVS video, and thank you all for joining me once again. In case you don't know, I posted a video yesterday, so check it out because in that video I have more deals. If you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. And I hope you like it here. I have a 10 off 17 next purchase CRT and I'll be using it in this video, and I'll also be showing you a very easy way to use that, and that will make your shopping very simple. Let's go get started. And the first deal I'll be picking up will be the spend 30 get $10 back, and this is a limit of 1. I'll pick up the Bounty 2 double rolls. It's on sale for $5.79. And I also pick up the Tide Pod. That's the 26 counts. They're on sale for $13.49. The next two items I'll add to this deal will be the Tide Pods, the 12 counts, on sale for $5.49 each. These four items are going to total $30.26. And for the 26 counts Tide Pod, I have a $3 coupon I printed from P&G website. And for the Bounty, I printed another $3 from P&G website. And check your app, we have $1.50 for one of the 12 count Tide Pod. And I went on P&G website and printed another one for the second one. With the 4 coupons, it's going to drop it down to $21.26. I'll pay that and get $10 back. And that will make all 4 items $11.26 or $2.82 each. But I have a 10 off 17 next purchase CRT that I'll be adding to this deal. The next deal I'll pick up will be on Gold Bond Lotion. It's on the deal of spend 20, get $10 back, and this is a limit of 1. I wanted to pick up 3 of the Healing Hand Lotion, the 3 ounces, priced at $7.49. But when I scanned it on my Ibotta, it wasn't attaching, so be careful when you do this deal. Make sure you're scanning your products. But I will be picking up the Healing Hydrating Cream, priced at $10.29. I'll be picking up 2, and this 2 is going to total me $20.58. We have a $1.50 digital coupon that is going to apply to it and drop it down to $19.08. I'll pay that and get $10 back, and I'll submit to Ibotta for $2 back on each items. That's a total of $4. That will end up making these 2 items just $5.08 or $2.54 each. The next deal I'll add to this transaction will be the Clairol hair color. They're on the deal of buy 2, you get $5 back, and it's a limit of 1. I'll pick up 2 of the Nice and Easy price at $9.49. These 2 items are going to total me $18.98. I'll be using this 6 off 2 coupon we got from the 11.5 savings set that is going to double dip with the 6 off 2 digital coupon we have and drop it down to $6.98. I'll pay that and get $5 back, making both items just $1.98 or $1.49 each. These are all the items I'll be picking up using the 10 off 17 next purchase CRT. I believe it's going to work out fine because they are very simple. I don't have much going on, and I'll be back with my receipt. This transaction went very well. All my coupons are applied, all the digital coupons and the paper coupons, and my 10 off 70 came off. I ended up using $36 extra care box, paid $1.27 out of pocket, and I got back $10 for the spend 30 get $10 back, and another $10 for spend 20 get $10 back on the gold bond, and a $5 back for buying 2 of the Clairol hair color. I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I got back $2 on each gold bond. That's a total of $4. This whole transaction ended up costing me just $8.27 or $1.03 each. The last 2 items I picked up is not giving back any extra care box, but it ended up being a $1 money maker because of the CRT I have. The Honey Nut Cheerios is on sale for $1.99. There are other cereals on sale as well, but I'll be picking up 2 of these, and 2 of them are going to total $3.98. In my account, I have 2 of the $1 off 2 digital coupon that is going to double dip and take off $2, leaving me to pay just $1.98. But I have one of those $2 off your next purchase CRT I received in my app. Because my subtotal is $1.98, that means the $2 CRT will also adjust down to $1.98. I will pay 0 out of pocket, and I'll submit my receipt to Ibotta for $1 back when I buy 2. making these 2 items free and a $1 money maker because of the CRT I have. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching and coming back to join me every week. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.